Welcome to my Data Storage TV, a channel which is dedicated to showcasing all the Power BI updates and functions. Today I'll be talking about the new feature, which is quite interesting for the July 2020 update, which is a gradient legend. So here we have our dummy data, which has got no relation to any real life activities. It's just been generated using computer. So what we want to know, we want to add this gradient legend so that we can be able to know on our sales data how much profit we have made. So basically we're going to be able to color these charts based with the profit, and if we have made more profit, it's going to be green, and if it's less profit, it's going to be yellow. So it's very similar to case what I have done here, but now here we are applying the profit here. So we got our axis here, x-axis there, and we can see we got the total sales, but now we want to see how does this correlate in terms of the total profit here. So I've already calculated that total profit here on the table, which is a sales dummy data. So this is our gross profit, and we want to see the colors based on the gross profit here. So how we do it, so we go to visualization. So remember, this is a new feature for the Power BI 2020 July. So then we go to the format. So make sure you highlight your table, then go to format, then go to data colors, and then you need to change this function here from default color. You click that, and this will bring you a default color, data color, which is the new legends there. So, and you want to scale based with the color, so based on the field there. So our field is gonna be the gross profit here, so we need to change this one, and we put to our table, which is a sales dummy data there. And don't forget, you have already calculated our gross profit, which is which we can see here. So we click that, and we got our gross profit, and then it's minimum based on our color. We say it's minimum. We can also do customize, where we can add the value here with the color we want to see. So for now, we want to see red if it's very minimal. And then we can also add diverging. So this is just a middle one. So if it's just on the middle and it's not very low and it's not very high, so we can make it blue. And then if it's higher, so if you are making a lot of profit, we can just make it green, so that we know you're making more profit here. So if the values are very low, it's going to be red. If they are just medium in terms of the gross profit, it's going to be blue. And if you are making very high profit margin, it's going to be green. So that's it. So we just click OK there. We didn't want to put the customs here, so we're just going to put the lowest value for now. So this is what I was asking. So, but we can also do the custom here, but for now, for this particular demo, we're just going to do the lowest value. So we click OK, and you can see, in Australia, this is where we made a lot of profit on that year 2020, and you can see how it got now red. This is a gross profit. We made very less gross profit on this year there, and you can see there. So this is very good, because it's very easy now to see your data very quickly. So thank you so much for watching Power BI this demo, and please remember to subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.